Uh-huh.
Man, fucking battery charged up, man. These Lockouts battery dead.
So
I was at the mechanic shop.
the actual car battery's dead or just the key fob?
Car battery. Hello? Well, I gotta come out here with the car.
Huh?
I'm out here with the car.
Oh, he came back up to his phone. He knew he was gone.
I gotta come out here with the car. What's his name? I can come back real quick.
All right.
I think, what's the name? The latch. Oh, you
The
can
latch
see it.
opening?
You can see it. If I can get inside. Yeah.
Oh, you got your windows down.
The window down?
Yeah.
Oh, lordy. You might can hit that bitch from right there.
Yes, a little bit.
Right there. Come up. Right there. No, you gotta, what's the name? Oh, damn, you got that bitch. ASAP.
Yeah, I seen that window down. Like, yeah, that's how people.
Damn, he got in that bitch. I so appreciate it, bud.
You want to pop the hood? I can get a jump start? Like, yeah.
Tell me what the difference is. You and me, you want some bad, I don't know how to keep on asking, I don't ride, what about you? Even with a million on my head, I'm outside, I'm about to like see my niggas, see my brother too.
All right, go ahead. Nothing? Hold up. Hold on real quick, bro. All right.
Think you went back off again. And get a good connection.
Yeah.
There you go. Man. There you go. There you go. Right there. Down that bitch.
Nothing?
It'll come on and then that bitch go on. Yeah, see, there you go. Nah, it's just on. Right there. Right there.
All right, let me grab my other one then.
Hold on, hold on. Nah.
Yeah, let me grab my other box.
At first, I couldn't even take that bitch out of the park.
Yeah, let me run my other bottle. A card reader?
Yeah, like receive payment.
Oh, no.
When you be coming out, how you be getting paid? You gotta give you cash?
I mean, I do Zelle, Cash Out.
Oh, okay. The Zelle is your number, ain't it?
Yeah. How old is battery?
It shouldn't be that old. It was like that because they was working on the car. I blew the engine and everything.
You say you blow the engine?
Yeah. It was running hot, bro, and I kept on driving it.
Oh yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. Yeah, you all set, my man. Oh yeah, no problem, man. No problem.
Good time, I'll never let forever. Sometimes I feel like praying to the devil. Sometimes I feel like laying down, but that'll never help me. Sometimes I feel like I ain't been rewarded for my efforts. This street shit done tied up me.
What'd you say? Here, whatever you want to give me, bro. Yeah.